We are so proud to announce that NutriRapid Diet Solution is Pakistan's first nutrition assessment website and desktop software that perform complete nutrition assessment. In dashboard, you can read all the specifications of the software. Now we move towards the functionality of the software. It includes total 6 number of steps. Step number 1 is all about patient history. These are the two buttons. This one will move you on a dashboard and this one will force you to log out from here. We collect possibly demographic data like patient name, age in years, gender, anthropometric data like height in feet, height in inches, actual body weight, usual body weight, duration that provides us information about patient weight from now, wrist circumference, waist circumference, hip circumference. Activity level, that is how much you perform daily exercise. Stress factor, that is option according to disease condition. Choose acceptable macronutrient distribution range. Percentages that complete to 100% like carbohydrates 50%, proteins 20%, then fat should be 30% that are equal to 100. Now select disease condition where 75 plus diagnosis is available and perform all the calculations according to the disease condition. Now we jump to exchanges calculation. There are 3 columns. Food groups like dairy, fruits and veggies. Group type where you can choose group type. Exchanges where you add number of exchanges. Then click on Save Patient button. Now your patient data saved safely. Step number 2 is all about nutrition assessment. Now you can assess all the calculated data from here. Select patient. You can see your patient information, interpretations of body mass index, ideal body weight, wrist circumference, waist to height ratio, waist to hip ratio, body frame size, weight change, percentage body fats, adjusted body weight, energy requirements, fluid and fiber requirements, and macronutrient requirements. Moving towards step number 3, which is all about exchanges calculation. Now you can assess exchanges calculation from here. Select patient and see the results. Step number 4 is all about NutriSearch database. You can perform 24 hours dietary recall and food dairy analysis with more than 1800 plus food products database that provide details of 51 plus nutrient. Select food group. Food name. Quantity and see the details of selected data. Step number 5 is all about the labs. Now you can add your all labs here and get interpretations according to the results of each lab value. Keep in mind, all labs are mandatory. Put 0 instead to leave any inputs blank. Step number 6 is all about physical focus examination. Select patient and perform physical focus examination of different areas of body to assess malnutrition, deficiency of vitamins and minerals. At last, keep note that if the patient is suffering from kidney disease, calculate kidney disease stage first before adding patient history. NutriRapid meets the national and international standards. Now memberships are open. For any query, do visit our website and contact us